Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make a summer drink, and it's called chocolate milkshake. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really appreciate. Remember to click the notification button so that you get my content every time I post. The ingredients that I'm going to use are 1 cup of milk, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Let's get to the next step. I've added my corn flour in this dish. Then I'm going to add some milk. I mix everything together and make sure that it doesn't form some lumps. So this solution is ready. You can see there are no lumps. I'm going to add my cocoa powder in the mixture. And I continue mixing. You can see my solution is ready. I'm going to set it aside. In this step, I'm going to add milk in my cooking pot. Let it cook under low heat. You can see it has started boiling. At this stage, I'll add sugar and continue stirring. You can see it's boiling. At this stage, it's good to go. I'll remove it and set it aside to cool. You can see the consistency. Here it is, it has cooled down. I'm going to sieve it here. After sieving, this is the result. Let's get to the next step. So guys, I'll take this mixture. You can see how thick it is. Then I'll put in my glass like that. Then I'll add my ice cubes. Then I'll stir. So I'll keep mixing until it loosens up. After that, I'll transfer it here. You can see how lovely it looks. Then I'll stir a little bit. Then I'll add grated chocolate on top. And our summer drink is ready. You should try it out and let me know how it will turn out. Remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.